Hey guys, welcome back to 702 Motoring in Las Vegas. This is the second bike of the night we're demoing. It's 2005 Harley Street Glide. This bike here is using a Quadic AV AQMP5UBT-HS. HS is their top of the line radio, detachable face, multicolor display, Sirius satellite capabilities. Comes with a face cover, a USB. 2 sets of Diamond Audio MS Pro 65 mids, one in the lowers and one in the uppers in the fairing. Soundigital 800.4 Evo X2. A set of Diamond Audio shallow horns, custom built in a new set of grills. We put those on. We build these, guys, we build these for any application. If it's possible, I can do it. I personally can do it. Diamond Audio grills, fairings off so we can show you the wiring. 9813 Street Glides, all gonna look the same here. Takes a 5 1/4 to 6.5 inch adapter for the MS Pro 65 mids. We custom mount the amplifier. We make a mount. It's made out of fabricated metal. As you can see right there, it's on all 4 sides. It's solid, sturdy, it's not going anywhere. Now, before we put this bike back together, we're gonna cover that amplifier, protect it against possible water damage, because the older bikes, well, Street Glide's new and old, can get moisture in there, so we're going to protect it. Again, ferrules and all our wires, our Soundigital lamps, we don't have any problems. Crossovers to the horns, custom built in the grills. They make an amp rack that goes in front. I have them. We used to sell them. I pulled them. I'm not going to sell them anymore. It's very difficult, for one, to make it mount on the bike, and for two, people have trouble mounting an amp to the rack and then putting the headlight in. So it's just, you know, when you sell something and you get an 80% returns on it, it's just not worth selling it anymore. So for the Street Glides, we fabricate the mount. It's solid. It's off the radio quite a bit, as you can see. You can see just metal back straps, guys. You can X them. You can do it any way you want. Tons of places to mount the stuff too. So that's how we do a Street Glide. Nothing in the back on this bike, just the front. 4 6.5 inch mids, set of horns. This customer gonna be very happy. So this is Tom MacDonald, because you guys want it. This is a song called White Boys. I've played a couple times before. So let's see what we got here tonight. All right.
Better watch your back, it's a white boy summer. Whole iPhone full of white boy gunners. We all come up from the bottom like the pipes in the gun. I got the shotgun going bum, 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 bum. Call me white trash, white boy, I kinda like that. If you got a problem, you can come and kiss my white ass. I don't really care what I'm allowed to do. Got a homie that'll kill you by Mountain Dew. Shoot, you don't wanna get a death threat from a redneck. Put a lead dent in your headrest. Yep, what, yeehaw, cops come, we saw, they ask, we leave. White boys don't talk, you ain't gonna see them coming hunting camo. Pro Second Amendment and they got tons of ammo. Got a gut full of liquor, lungs full of tobacco. Kinda crackers double cracking for some gas for the backhoe. And a homie riding shotgun with a shotgun. While he shotguns 24 beers and he's not drunk. Chugging vodka's not a problem till he wants one. Then he locked up and the cops come. Lot of white folks like those white folks that go boom. Bunch of psychos, I know, my bros on your crew. When you die slow, my bros right home while you lose. It ain't Halloween, we turned into a white ghost too soon, yeah. God ain't never made no motherfuckers crazy as the white boys. We've been known to fight, boys. Shine off our shotguns, rocking camo, causing problems late at night, boys. White boys, mama knows for trouble, circle tight, boys. Soon as it pops out, we got you running for your life, boys. Let me get the shit jumping like a 6'4", chrome with the big smoke. Sound so official, crazy white boy with the big old pistol. You so pissed, you blow like a whistle. Try and play around, you gon' end up drowning in the deep end, face down where they found him. He gon' get killed, plus everyone around him. Rounds start flying, yo. Better watch your back, it's a white boy summer. Whole iPhone full of white boy gunners. We all come up from the bottom like the pipes in the gun. I got the shotgun going bum, 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 bum. Call me white trash, white boy, I kinda like that. If you got a problem, you can come and kiss my white ass. I don't really care what I'm allowed to do. Got a homie that'll kill you by Mountain Dew. Shoot, you don't wanna get a death threat from a redneck. Put a leg dent in your headrest. Yep, what, yeehaw, cops come, we saw, they ask, we leave. White boys don't talk, you ain't gonna see them coming hunting camo. Pro Second Amendment and they got tons of ammo. Got a gut full of liquor, lungs full of tobacco. Kinda crackers double cracking for some gas for the backhoe. And a homie riding shotgun with a shotgun. While he shotguns 24 beers and he's not drunk. Chugging vodka's not a problem till he wants one. Then he locked up when the cops come. Lot of white folks like those white folks that go boom. Bunch of psychos, I know, my bros on your crew. When you die slow, my bros right home while you lose. It ain't Halloween, we turned into a white ghost too soon, yeah. God God ain't never made no motherfuckers crazy as the white boys. We've been on the fight, boys. Sign off our shotguns, rocking camo, causing problems late at night, boys. White boys, mama knows we're trouble, circle tight, boys. Soon as it pops out, we got you running for your life, boys. Let me get the shit jumping like a 6'4", chrome with the big spokes, I'm so official. Crazy white boy with the big old pistol. You so pissed, you blow like a whistle. Try and play around, you gon' end up drowning in the deep end, face down where they found him. He gon' get killed, plus everyone around him. Rounds start flying, your heart start pounding. Hold up, take a photo, it gon' last longer. What you looking at now? Rap guy, rap monger. Only white boy make the whole black roster. Hip hop top 10, motherfucking monster. I'ma stand here with the sawed-off shotgun. Shoot it at you, now you got bad posture. Put him in a wheelchair, legs turn to pasta. You know how it goes, full of holes in the doctor. Smoking on tobacco, blowing like a black a mile. Talk shit, get a black guy, drag me like a mile. Drink a whole bunch of Jack, probably crash if I drive. I'll be sitting shotty with a 9-passenger side. Always out at night cause I like noise. Playing 50 cent and I don't even like coins. Got a 45 in my lap now, that's a nice choice. Ride around town, car full of white boys. God ain't never made no motherfuckers crazy as the white boys. We've been on the fight, boys. Sign off our shotguns, rocking camo, causing problems late at night, boys. White boys, mama knows we're trouble, circle tight, boys. Soon as it pops out, we got you running for your life, boys. You can smell the smoke as soon as we ride into town. You can hear us coming cause the speaker's stupid loud. You can't hold us back, yeah, we'll be jumping in the crowd. Middle fingers up and they ain't never coming down. God ain't never made no motherfuckers crazy as the white boys. We've been on the fight, boys. Sign off our shotguns, rocking camo, causing problems late at night, boys. White boys, mama knows we're trouble, circle tight, boys. Soon as it pops out, we got you running for your life, boys.
All right. Tom MacDonald, White Boys. So, max on that demo was 133.5. You know, they're not getting any quieter. That's for sure. Probably because I'm pushing them a little bit harder, you know, because I don't have bikes that come back. So I'm like, well, let's just go a little harder. Let's just push them harder. And as you see, the decibels are going up. Crystal clear. This guy's going to be very, very, very happy. Waited a long time, put a system in it. I don't think he's ready for what he's going to hear tomorrow morning. Could put this bike back together. So 702 motoring, that's our second bike of the night. These two going to be leaving tomorrow. We wanted to film earlier in this one, and got some more coming in. They've been waiting. All right, guys. Thanks for stopping in. We'll talk to you soon.